In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Airtable dark mode in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a night owl who loves working late or simply prefer a sleek, dark appearance to ease the strain on your eyes, enabling dark mode on Airtable is a simple process. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first step is to navigate to Airtable's website. You can do this by entering airtable.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, your next move is to locate the Sign In button. This usually sits at the top right corner of the page, making it easy to spot. Click on Sign In to proceed. Now you should input your credentials to sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you may skip this step. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the Airtable homepage. Here you'll want to click on your user profile. Typically your profile icon is located towards the top right of the screen and might be represented by your initials or a custom profile picture. Once you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu you should select the option labelled Appearance. This is where you'll be able to make changes to how your Airtable interface looks. After selecting Appearance, you will be presented with several display options. Look for the Dark Mode option. Clicking on Dark will immediately switch your Airtable interface from a bright, light-filled look to a sleek, dark one. This change can offer a more comfortable viewing experience in low-light environments and might even prolong your device's battery life if you're using an OLED screen. Remember, you can toggle back to light mode anytime you wish by following the same steps and choosing the light option instead. This flexibility allows you to switch between dark and light modes as needed, catering to your personal preference or environmental requirements. If you ever face any glitches or issues with the appearance settings not taking effect, a quick browser refresh can often do the trick. Additionally, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version to support all features Airtable has to offer. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled dark mode on Airtable. It's really that simple, and as you can see, it takes no time at all to enhance your workspace with a new, comfortable look. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below as I'm here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Enjoy your new dark mode experience.